I think I might have mentioned last time that it's possible that SUI would come down to the starting point, and it looks like it did. But I'm personally not very concerned here. It's just been chopping, same like with most altcoins. It's been chopping literally over the last 3 or 4 months, which has been very frustrating, but not bearish. And of course, SUI is now towards the lower end of this range, which has a lot of people panicking. But of course, typically when you're at the lower end of a range that a crypto's been chopping in, either it's going to break below and then enter, in this case, potentially a new bear market, or it's going to bounce from this level, get back to this resistance level, get back to that $6.4 target, which I do think is going to be hit. I don't believe that's the cycle top for SUI. I believe SUI is going to go much higher. But in the shorter term here, I do expect to bounce from the starting point, probably as a result of this summit, and then a follow through to this resistance level as a result of the SUI gaming summit. So similarly to Solana, kind of like an initial little recovery in the short term from the White House summit on Friday, and then after that, their own catalysts, assuming that the macro backdrop and everything's a little bit better, then we should get a rally back up to that resistance level, and then we can start looking again at that target and thinking about if we want to go long